5 things I learned from the movie Chicken Run. Number 1. Never give up on your dreams. Number 2. Don't let your fear hold you back. Number 3. Teamwork is dreamwork. Number 4. Stand up for what you believe in, no matter whether it is easy or tough. Number 5. Even a small action can make big difference. I am Arish and I am a superhuman.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.